upon us. Until the end of
you made this.
have mercy on us. Lord, have mercy on us. For we bend your heart, that's on us.
How was the experience, babe?
Well, the setting was okay and everything, but the food, I give it the food maybe like a 6 out of 10.
Very close to what I said. I said a 7 out of 10. And
The food is not all that.
no, it's not, to be honest. The only reason I gave it a 7 out of 10. Where do I exit? Okay. The reason why I gave it a 7 out of 10 is, hold on, let me hear what they're saying. Where do I exit? Over that side? Oh, okay. The reason why I gave it a 7 out of 10, guys, is because the settings, the setting was beautiful, and for me, I like that. So it's a 7. But how was your evening out with me, love?
Well, this day was good.
It definitely was. And thank you so much for taking me out, as per usual, for treating me lovely. Thank you, baby.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Special shout out to my mother. She's all the way in Florida, but more life and enough love and respect. Also my grandmother.
Yeah, Grandma Vern.
Grandma Vern, she's
In Florida too.
in Florida as well. And especially my grandmother. She's in the arms of the Lord in heaven, of course.
One Mimi. And his sister.
And my immediate relatives, Scary, Kitty, Ven, all bless up myself.
Greetings.
Greetings from across the world.
Bless up on yourself, guys. God bless you now. And one love. Until next time, I don't know, next year again. God bless you. Bye.
That cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you. miss you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
Alright guys, so I'm in Portmore now. I'm heading to the gym. I'm a little bit late. I normally reach earlier than this. It's now 5:33, which means I'm late. This is me. There's a handle right there that I should hold on to, and yeah, so I'm going to do this until it's time for the class. Looks are definitely deceiving, because I know you're sitting there thinking, oh well, this is easy, what's the problem? But it's not, trust me. When you continue to do this, you are going to feel the pain in your legs, your back, your thighs, your neck, your arms. They are on fire, literally. But I think I like a good challenge, so even though I wasn't doing it correctly all the time, because I was trying to use my arms to help me to push my body weight onto these steps, which you're not supposed to, but I still did not stop because I love a good challenge and I love the burn. So gym was very good. I enjoyed it and I think I did a good job. I was tired after, but like I said, whatever this week has in store for me, I'm not gonna back down. I'm not gonna stop, because yeah, I gotta go.
The routine is 2 basic rights. So you don't know basic rights. You come in the class, you know what is basic rights. You come in the class, you know what is basic rights. That's enough. Is that right? So 2 basic rights. Basic right is marching up. So basic right means lead off with the right leg. So it is 2 basic rights followed by 2 basic lefts. So it's right 1 time, down, right 2 times, down. Then switch to basic left. Left 1 time, left 2 times. Right? We're going to kick to the right, step, kick, down, down, and then kick to the left, step, kick, down, down, and then 3 knees around the step. 1, 2, 3. That's the routine. 3 knees around the step. Step. 1 basic class, 2 face the wall, 3 face the step. Right foot down here, then left foot down, and then everything comes up again.
Tired is an understatement. Tired, T-I-R-E-D, is an understatement for how I'm feeling right now. I am not feeling good. I'm feeling a little nauseous. End of workout. Alright, so I did. This is 26 I watch. I did 1 hour and 5 minutes, 55 seconds worth of workout. And that's a total of 1.5 mile, 251 calories. That's what the watch says. I'm sweating so hard right now. Getting up to tear jam shop. Gotta get a breather before I go down those steps, because the worst thing, the elevator is not working, so you must have to use the step then for go down. And I'm not looking forward to that right now. Let's go. Why? Murder. I'm ready to go home, man. And actually, hold on. I might not go home because I might end up right up Portmore back for the night football team with Germany. So, you know how it goes. We ready, man. We ready. I feel sore right now, guys. Let me tell you, say sore. So, people, I come at gym, feeling so nice, feeling so good. Tell me why the elevator now work. And one of the worst things for do such a hard workout, and then the elevator now work. What a something. What a something. I'm tired, man. But I have to do what I have to do, yeah? And I have to go home. So I just have to deal with it. My back close to drop. And my people, my hand them and kill me. Watch out. Big back. Anyways, tonight is Monday night. And I don't know how it come down from Monday night. Not true. Like them. Please. Like them. Subscribe. Turn on your post notification. Anyways, let's go. Hey people, it's Tuesday. I'm in Fontana in Kingston. I came Kingston this morning to deal with some stuff, and I'm in Fontana because I wanted some top up. I wanted a top up of my mouthwash. I'm going to the gym and I love to wear my headbands, and I got like a few of those, and also a clustered lash. I got the clustered lash that I wanted because instead of going online and order it, I can just get it here, because at the end of the day I'm still gonna have to clear it, so why not just buy it here. Alright guys, I'm through with Fontana. I'm laughing because while walking there was this man. He was like, wow, can say you glow in the dark, you know. I don't know why I found that so funny a while ago. Because after I come to Fontana, I can spend $11,000. I don't feel good. That's why I'm telling you, people, I stay in my yard. I don't have nowhere to go. Because when you go up on the road is too expensive. When you go up on the road, you spend more than what you're bargaining for. Now me come to Fontana to get one mouthwash. And hold on, let me put it up here so You give me a minute there. Let me find a place but you know. Can you believe it? I come off Fontana for buy one. That's the thing, you know. I love to get carried away with spending. I mean, I like that. Yeah. I bought some headband, like I said, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So there's a black. I already have a black, but that's fine. There's a light pink, white, peach, and 2 other shades of pink. All right, so this is what it is. It's very cute. Oh my gosh, turn on the camera before me start burn up. God, the artist is me say, guys. me say it at so tell. So I really needed these headbands because and it's 6, like I said. So when I work out, I sweat a lot, and I don't know if you noticed, but the headbands really keep that sweat up from coming into my face, because when it comes in my face, it itches so bad and I don't like to feel it. And I know the AC is a little bit low now, guys, but seriously, mine is finished, so I got a smaller one. Yeah. And then I got another one of this. The one that I had is finished, and I really needed another one, so yeah, the same one too. Right, and everybody should know what this is. So last but no means least, $11,000 worth of something. Yes, I got another clustered lash. So this is what $11,000 looks like. Please, if you don't have it, don't come to Fontana. Don't kill me, Fontana, but I gotta be honest, this place is for rich people. Alright? But sometimes I say, if you need it, get it and move out the way. Anyways, I'm gonna try to see if I can reach a Spanish Town now. It is so hot outside. Normally I'd roll down my windows so that I can the heat can come out, and then everything will be alright. But anyways, let's go to Spanish Town now. I really needed these items, like I said, guys, and one thing with me, if I need something, as long as I have the money can buy it, I'm going to buy it. My cocoa butter lotion is still not finished. I'm not about to buy any just to store up. If I need it, I buy it. Alright? I'm not about to buy anything that I don't need. So my lotion is probably, I probably want 10 more use out of it. And then as soon as that finished, then I'll restock. But I'm not, because the thing is with these things, you know, guys, they expire. One time, I don't know if I'm here alone or if I'm not gonna talk the truth, but you see, one time, guys, when I have Bath and Body Works and all them nice body splash and something, I used to keep them on the dresser to look cute. I mean, now I touch them, you know, them there, I know for use. I have my regular lotion like my Jergens and my this and my that, and I used to make them stay on the dresser for just, you know, and unless I'm going out somewhere special, like a special occasion. My love, one day I'm gonna take up this and them say me I go try, you know, I was going out on a special date with hubby, and I said, alright, then me I go take it up and do a little thing. Me Jesus, guys, when me take up the buckle and go to a pure water, spoil. Why nobody never tell me say them could have spoiled? So it's because of that, me now put on nothing. Alright, I think I'm cool enough now. Alright, so me not have to really kill myself. Me say, why nobody never tell me say there's something them can spoil? What? Me say no, so from that, everybody wash, everybody scrub, every lotion, me I use everybody. Not now waste, no now dash way. Guys, fruits man, after you pass us from the what you call it, a Port Anderson highway, right? You can get the fruits. It's always out of Portmore. What you call this one? I don't know, me have fumble for words. Right name? Mandela Highway. That's what you move on the right here. So I don't know if you find him with the good fruits, them, the kiwi, them, the Neesberry, that right? Neesberry, the apple, everything. I don't know if you find him. So I'm just put it out there. Alright. Why it tastes so good? It tastes so refreshing. Kind of straight on?
Yes, man, right here.
I got one next one for Jermaine. I got buy the berry for journey. I want some ripe one for you.
Yeah, man, the police must have to go market.
Oh,
me not
God
go market.
Almighty.
You see me?
And
Market enough for me.
guys, you don't know this a fruits man. I'm always out of Mandela right this time. I tell you, we always stop and a whole heap of people we always hear talk. Because me a family member we pass this. So them don't know, say, you don't know say my family them, you know.
Yeah.
But me I tell you, so me, you know, but let me tell you this, brother. You see? Just continue the way you do.
Yeah.
It better you there so than the home at the end of the day.
Yeah, me people, we have the right thing and it looks like a wrong thing, you know?
Yes, people, man, me I tell you. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you, do not worry about it. It better you there so that you're there home. I'm going to say jelly nice.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
That record long ago.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. For all the people who thought balancing work, motherhood or stepmotherhood, whatever you want to call it, being a wife, having to be a wife of a business owner, it's no easy work, guys. Like, I always hear people say that balancing gym and work, among other things, are not easy, and it's like I'm just witnessing and experiencing this for myself. It is not easy, by no means necessary. But today wasn't really a hard class. The trainer, he was nice. I like him. I like the way he teaches, and yeah, I'm good with it. Today was just a stretch class. Hey guys, what's good? So I'm sure you saw me working out in the garage. So I have FTH tonight, and sports day is right around the corner, guys. So I gotta be there. As you can see, I've been repping my color all day, giving God thanks for a new day. I know you have not seen me from morning, but that's okay, because I wasn't gonna let today finish and you did not get to see me. However, guys, I'm so tired. I think I had a good workout. So I decided that I was gonna come home today to work out, mainly because if I had went to my gym, I wouldn't have made it back over for FTH, and that's family training hour at my church. So if you don't know what that is and you would like to be a part of it, let me fix my arm fat, because them not look good. If you don't know what that is and you'd like to join us, we are located in Lauriston, 20 Kim Drive, Lauriston, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. So if you're interested, you can make all efforts to be there. If not this week, next week. If not next week, you can make it to our sports day. I will leave the flyer on the screen for you to see. So we'll be having in-house competition tonight, and last week our house won. As you know, we're the reigning champion, but the next side is gonna come with a bang, so we have to make sure that we come with our bang and our A game always. So I decided to come home, work out, and then I leave from home and go to church. So all roads leads to 20 Kim Drive, Lauriston. I'll see you there. Bye.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Yeah, continue, continue, continue. Hurry up, Malik, hurry up. Yes, you're doing good, Malik. You're doing good. You're doing good, Malik. You can take off the blindfold.